back to my channel today. You know who it is, it's your boy Gideon Julius. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. I promise you will not regret it, because in this channel I dish out tips on how to make money online, how to make money generally online, ideas, tips, and guide, because I've done online businesses in different niches, and trust me, I've been successful online. Everything I've done, everything I've achieved in life is basically made online. So today's topic is going to be, I have 7 business ideas you can do today or start anytime soon with literally small money or even no money, because I know that in Nigeria, in Africa as a whole, in fact in the world as we are living right now, the whole place, the world is hard, if I may use that word. Things are not really the way they used to be. Economic system, everything has been tightened up, so people are looking for different means now to make money, and that is why I'm making this video. I want to see if I can help the people that would like to be helped, people that see this video as valuable and take action, okay? Because all these things I'm talking about here in this video is about action. It's not about it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's about practical and putting in work, small work, and you see the result that you're looking for. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, please, if you're new, subscribe to this channel. I can see it's a new channel. I'm trying to grow it. If you can help me, just help me subscribe to this channel. And if you see this video that I'm presenting, and if you find it valuable, please don't forget to drop your comment below. So the first I want to talk about in this video, the first business you can start today without money is YouTube. Please give me a minute. Let me explain. I know that YouTube is something that you see every day, you watch every day, use every day, but you don't really know that you yourself that using YouTube can actually make money from it. Yes, no jokes, because I know that some people will say, this guy, we have been hearing it, we have been seeing it, but trust me, the truth is that you can make money from YouTube. Take it or leave it. Yeah, how do you make money from YouTube? YouTube itself is a business, and it's a business that does advertisement for other businesses. I don't know if you know about that, but do you think it's about videos and all those things? No. The idea behind YouTube is to make advertisements for companies and businesses to promote their businesses. So what does that mean? As you're watching this video right now, if this video is monetized and it's on YouTube, what it means is that the advertisers are going to pay me for this video, so that as you're watching it, they will display their ads on it, and you get paid immediately for it. So it is not something that is too hard to do. Like you're watching me right now, I'm using my phone to make this video. And a lot of people are seeing big names, big people that are making videos, and most of them are using their phones. It's very easy and very simple to use. So now, when you create video, they pay you per video. Do you understand? So let's say, for instance, in a month, you make maybe 10 videos, 15 videos, 20 videos. Maybe you make videos every day. That's something videos a month. And YouTube is paying you maybe 1,000 per 1,000 view. Maybe they pay you maybe $5 per 1,000 view. So let's say your videos are making maybe 10,000 or 5,000 per each videos in a month, right? And you have done 10 videos. So you do the math. If you're making 5,000 per each video times 10, that's 50,000 views, and YouTube will pay you for that. So if you do the math, 50,000 views, calculate it, $5 per 1,000, you will know how much you have made in that month. That is one part of YouTube that people make money from. The another part is that you can decide to promoting a product to your YouTube channel. What do I mean? You can be making a video like this just to promote a product or an affiliate link to make more money. So people do affiliate, but you don't know that they're doing affiliate. They're just teaching you how to do one thing. At the end of the day, they are selling a product or another to you with a link, and they are getting paid, but you don't know. Okay. The third one is you can also make money from your YouTube channel with your own products. So let's say you have a service that you're rendering, or you have a product that you're selling. You can as well come out and talk about your product, or sample your product, unbox it, or talk about your services. And people people that are interested in what you do can from there contact you. And trust me, you make a sale or you start making money from there. There are different ways you can make money from YouTube. So if you're looking at YouTube before, please do not look down on it. Go more deep, research and find out how people make money from YouTube, and I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, so if you're getting value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, share it with people, and I believe they will like it too. So number 2 today in today's video is affiliate marketing. I know I've mentioned affiliate marketing in the past before, but let me shed more light on that. These things are already made programs for you to just to partake and make some commission from them. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just a program that allows you to sell other people's products without making without making your own product or without doing much. So what is it? Let's say you go to Jumia, Konga, that sells products and services and things like that. Then you go there, you join the affiliate program. Mind you, every website, every big company that is selling products or services, they all have an affiliate program. So you join their affiliate program, which is a referral program. What does it mean? You can refer someone through your own link. Yeah. When they buy from that your link, you get a commission, right? So what does it mean? You don't need to have the product. You don't need to have the services. All you have to do is just take the link. They have created a link for you, a very transparent link that will show you your dashboard and your progress with the product, right? Then you promote that link. Every one of us have our social media handles. We have our social media pages. We have our influence. We have everything. We have our WhatsApp. So it's personal. So you can decide to push those things to your viewers, to your fans, to your likes. You know, people that like what you're doing. Push those links to them. Or either we want to make money fast, you put in a little resources to maybe 2,000, 5,000, and promote it on Google or on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram. These things are cheap. So you know, when you see sponsored ad, you think it's expensive. No, it's not that expensive in Nigeria. Sponsored ad you can get as small as 1,500 in a week even. You know, so if you have money to put in, do 1K per day, trust me, in a week you know how much you'll be making from affiliate marketing. I know that affiliate marketing might sound big, but it is not. If you pay attention to it, it's very simple. You can make more research on it, and you will see that it's not that hard. Okay. So if you are finding this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Okay. Share it with your friends and your family, and I promise you, you will not regret it. So the third way you can make money without investing much money, okay, that's a business. It's called freelancing. Okay, freelancing is a business. Take it or leave it. You don't work for any company per se. What you do is you surrender a service, right? Because I believe that we all know one thing or another, right? I believe that we all have one skill that we know in one way or another that maybe you don't know, but you need to research and know what you know, or you have to go and practice or apply to learn a new skill. Trust me. So what is freelancing? Freelancing allows you to render your service to multiple clients. Okay. So let's say, for instance, you want to do what's it called? You want to do the freelancing. There are platforms you can use. Let me use, for instance, Fiverr. Okay. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to render your services, whatever it is you can do. Ranging from voiceovers, music production, graphic designs, and so forth and so on. Anything that you can do that someone can get through online. It's a service. You can render it and send it to that one, the person without a problem. That's a service. That's freelancing. So when you render your service, let's say you're a graphic design and you go online, you put in your profile on Fiverr and people are looking for a graphic designer, they will find you and they will ask you a few questions. Can you do this? Can you do that? If you say yes, they'll give you the job. And you do the job, you earn at least from $5 upwards. You know, but I'm just saying, when people are earning thousands per task, you know, per job, right? So you see what I mean? So that's the third. So the fourth one is kind of task performing jobs. You know, it's a business. You know, anything you're doing that you can do on your own timing, that you can do with your own time and whenever you want to do it. It's not like someone is telling you when to do it. That is a business, right? So if you have a skill and you want to render that skill to people, it's not like you're working for them. You are doing your business. Take it that way. So the fourth one is a task performing website. I'm going to mention maybe one or two of them. Yeah, it's a task performing. It's not like a referral. It's not like it's a freelancing job, because this one you're not doing any service. All you are doing is giving you a task to perform. Perform that task, you get paid for it. Let's say, for instance, a site like Viral Trend or Daily, Nigeria Workers. These platforms give you tasks to perform for a little payment. It's not like a commission. They will stipulate the amount they're going to pay you per task. So these platforms help you to make money. Make real money. You'll be cashing out maybe every week or every month, depending on how much you worked, what you're making. Understand what I'm saying? So there are many ways you can make money without even spending money. That's what I'm trying to pass in this video. Okay? That's what I'm trying to pass in this video. There are many ways you can make money without investing money. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Let them feel it too, and let me know what they think about it. Okay? Because I'm getting some people asking me questions, because this thing I'm talking about now, I've written about it in the past in a blog, and so many people ask the question, what can we do? What kind of business can I do without money? And I tell them, listen, it's not like you are not going to spend money, but it's not like you're going to spend much. You're going to spend a little, because when you are doing online tasks, you're going to use data, you're going to spend money for that. You're going to need a smartphone, you're going to spend money for that. And some of these task performing platforms, you will need to upgrade to their premium services so you can get more tasks and more money, right? I hope you understand what I mean. So the fifth one, I know it's going to sound kind of funny, but it's true. The fifth one is blogging. I know you have encountered a lot of blogs. You have heard about blogs. You have heard about the richest blogger in Nigeria, which is Nigeria. You have seen a lot of things going on, but you don't understand what is blogging. Listen, my friend, please, if you don't understand something, make a research about it. Okay? That is why you have internet. That's why you have your phone. The phone is not for Nollywood movies or for Netflix or whatever you're using it to watch. Okay? Make a research about something. There are many videos you can watch on YouTube about blogging, even tutorials and courses about it. You can start today. Blogging is easy. As long as you have a laptop, as long as you have a smartphone, in fact, you can start blogging. It is easy. You don't need to spend money. All you need is just your smartphone or your laptop. Okay? Because blogging is basically free. If you don't need to have your own website. You don't have to. Right? All you have to do is go to blogger.com, which is owned by Google. It's free. You can create your account there and start blogging immediately. And trust me, there is money in blogging, because blogging is just like, talking about or writing about articles or copy and paste. Some people are doing copy and paste. They go to other blogs, they copy, they edit, and do one or two things to their own blogs, and they're doing it. So you just have to put in a little work. That's all I'm trying to say about what I'm talking about. I'm not saying that you will not work or you will not do anything to make money. No, you have to put in work, and you have to put in a little money. Yes, because I'm saying you can spend at least 20K for all of this I'm talking about, and you can start making money from them, no doubt. So if you have any question, drop a comment below. I will respond to that. So the sixth one is writing, copywriting. All these things sounds big in the ear. When you hear it, sound like, wow, this thing, can I do it? These people that are doing it, they have. Listen, some people did not buy a course for copywriting. Some people did. Some people learned on their own. But as long as you can articulate, you can write an article, you can write a story, you can write something, you are a writer, you're a content writer, you are a creative writer. Don't play with it. Don't look at it as something that you're just doing. Write something. Write your ideas. Write things write. There are sites you can work for to just write, typing jobs. You can do those jobs from your home. I'm not playing. Typing jobs. Type it. Just search it on Google. Typing jobs. You have thousands of it. You can just start today. Start any money in dollars. Trust me, it's a business. You're not working. They're not restraining you. You're coming to work by 9 o'clock. You're coming to work by 10 o'clock. No, it is a work that you do when you want to do it, and the time you feel comfortable to do it. Understand what I'm saying? So writing, you can be writing on your own, writing your ideas. Those ideas can be a book. Okay, it can be a story. It can be a movie. It can be a content that is trying to make you to buy something or to act a certain way. So you understand there are different ways you can do this, but try and study more, apply wisdom, research more, find find every reason to go further, you know, because if you're going to wait and think it's going to happen, no, or once you enter, you have to keep working. Just like I said, YouTube is consistency. Every other thing you're doing is consistency. Any business you're going to do is consistency. Whether it's online or offline, you have to be consistent for you to start seeing results. Okay. The last but not the least, which is the number 7, is cryptocurrency, crypto trading. Just like I said initially, you can start with just 20K, 20,000 naira, not $20,000. This is naira. 20K is less than, let's call it maybe $20, right? Or $30, something like that. So you can start doing business. You can start a business with $20, 20,000 or $30 in Nigeria. It is not too much. Okay, you can all hustle it and find means and get it. 20,000, you can all go and get it. So you can start trading Bitcoin per se. You know, Bitcoin and Ethereum per se. I'm going to make a video specifically on Bitcoin and Ethereum, just for you to have a clear up of how you can trade it, right? So this is the 7th one. You can start trading Bitcoin today. Yes, all you have to do is download the wallet, verify it. Okay, there is a way to do it. You buy Bitcoin from external bodies, add to your coin. Then what Bitcoin does is it rises and falls. So, but I will talk about that in a specific video so that you will understand how you can trade these things and make money from it. So the 7th one is Bitcoin. It's a big deal. It's something that everybody can do, and it's something that big boys are doing, and something that a small man can also do with no money or with small money. You know, just about making research and learning more and understanding what you need to do. So that's how it is. I'm going to leave this video here for today. If you find it useful, please drop a comment below. Share it for me, please. I want you to share this video. Okay, you can like it, please. Just do something for me, please. Please do something for me, and I'll appreciate that. So I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.